Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Vechain chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We are also facing a key area of resistance at around the $0.02436 mark, but as long as we are holding above the 20-day MA, then we have the support for us to continue gearing up and manage to break above that key area of resistance. And the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, then I'll be watching for a successful retest of that key area of resistance before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking even higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that managed to get into the minimum retestment area in the formation of that wave 2, which lies between the $0.02402 mark and the $0.01926 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.01954 mark. And I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of these higher Elliot wave con 3 to the upper side. And we are seeing all this after seeing a massive run up to the upper side, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.3254 mark, and also completing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, which is now my primary scenario here on the Vechain chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, since we have managed to get into the minimum retestment area in the formation of this wave 2 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04738 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this wave 3 to the upper side to do. And in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that higher Elliot wave con 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do, and I believe we are seeing a microwave within the formation of that higher Elliot wave con 3 in formation, and that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, you can see that after making our low in the formation of that wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.02535 mark, and having seen a 5-wave structure to the upper side, we completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retestment area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is the minimum that I was expecting this second wave to the lower side to do. And having managed to get into the minimum retestment area in the formation of this wave 2, then I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, which is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 that I have shown you on the 4-hour chart, and sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.03104 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this wave 3 to the upside to do. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is still another impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see another 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 giving us our high and also fully maximizing our target areas. And for that move to also play out, we need to continue holding above the 20-day MA, continue gearing up, manage to break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.02436 mark, and a break above that key area of resistance, then I'll be watching for a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue gearing up to fully maximize our target area at around the $0.03097 mark. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios on the Vechain chart. And getting back to the 4-hour chart so that we can take a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 59 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the mark, we have been able to print a bearish crossover here, but you can see that we are seeing a sharp decrease in the selling momentum here on the MACD, suggesting that soon we are going to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.